Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the purchase not available issue in Brawl Stars. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're having trouble making purchases in Brawl Stars because of the purchase not available error, don't worry, it's a common issue that's easy to fix. Let me walk you through the steps to resolve it. First, open the Google Play Store app on your mobile device. This is where you will update the settings that control how purchases are verified. Once you're inside the Play Store, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon there. Tap on it to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. It's where you can adjust various options related to your Google account and device. In the Settings section, scroll until you find Purchase Verifications. Here's the key part. You need to enable biometric verification. This means that every time you make a purchase, your device will ask for fingerprint or face recognition as a confirmation. It's a great way to ensure security and resolve purchase issues. Now, right below the biometric option, there is a setting called Verification Frequency. Tap on it and set it to Always. This ensures that your device always verifies any paid transactions you make, including in-app purchases for Brawl Stars. Once you have updated these settings, go back to Brawl Stars and try making a purchase again. You should now be able to complete transactions without any problems. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.